Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the problem with a full eye exam and refraction, so you know the exact prescription needed. This matters because treatment depends on degree and cause. Once the optometrist gives numbers, choose an immediate corrective option. Glasses for simple correction, contacts for clarity and field, or referral if surgery seems plausible. While you arrange that, practice simple visual hygiene, limit screen glare, and keep 20-30-minute breaks to reduce strain and stabilize measurements before any permanent step. Once you have a prescription, make sure the lenses are precisely fitted. Misalignment or wrong pupillary distance reduces effectiveness and causes headaches. If you choose contacts, complete a fitting session and follow the adaptation schedule to avoid irritation and infection. Try daily disposables to start. Make incremental adjustments, prism tweaks, cylinder refinement, and coatings to optimize contrast and reduce glare. Keep a short diary of visual tasks and symptoms so you can report exact problems at the follow-up for targeted fixes. When permanent correction is desired, start with detailed screening for LASIK or PRK, corneal thickness, topography, and tear film matter because they determine safety and outcome. Once cleared, follow pre-op instructions exactly and commit to post-op care. Prescribe drops, avoiding rubbing, and limiting screens to promote healing. If vision is not satisfactory after healing, return promptly for enhancement evaluation. A single troubleshooting tip. Persistent halos or dryness usually responds to surface treatment or lubrication rather than immediate reoperation, so report symptoms early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.